Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Oluoch is my name. I talk to people about cryptocurrency. I also talk to people about stock market. Today's topic is this: how to make money in cryptocurrency in 2022. How to make money in Binance in 2022. One, you can make money through staking. Staking is buying coins, keeping it in the Binance ecosystem for 1 year and getting 20% return per year, 50% return per year, 70% return per year. Second way of making money in Binance is through trading. Trading is buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins every day and making money every day. The third way of making in Binance is through Binance features. Binance feature is more like a contract. You agree with somebody that you will pay a given amount of money when the price of that thing goes up, or you will pay a given amount of money when the price of that thing goes down. So when the price goes down, you can buy. When the price goes up, you can sell. So it's an agreement that you make with the buyers and sellers of some commodities or some coins in this case. The other way of making money in Binance is through referral system. The other way of making money in Binance is through margin trading. Margin trading is more of taking a loan and trading on that loan. The bad part is, if you lose the money, you must pay back the loan. The other way of making money in Binance is through P2P trading. P2P trading is more like buying and selling currencies, buying and selling dollars, and making money from it. Otherwise, my name is Peter Oluoch. I teach people about stock market. I teach people on cryptocurrency. If you don't understand, get a copy of this book. The book is $10. I will send it to you via email. Bye. See you in the next video. And by the way, if you belong to a church, call me. If you belong to a university, call me. I will teach members of your university about cryptocurrency. If you belong to a circle, call me. I will teach members of your circle about cryptocurrency. Otherwise, bye. See you in the next video.